So to teach students how to solve problems when it comes to averages, I would want to showcase each type of average the student could find out, meaning mode, mean, and median. So for, again, I would want this to be a class project type of activity where they're getting out of their seats. So I would have students there would be two different stations set up. The first station would be, they would have their name and their age, and that would go on our board. And we would find the mode using that data. So once all that was filled out, we bring all that board of all the information, and we are gonna see what age comes up the most of students in our class. And then we could say that that is the mode of students that are in, third grade, second grade, whatever grade we're doing this for. And then additionally, I will have the students, there will be a second station, and this is a station where the students will get to measure themselves, and we can, do it in inches, we can do it in centimeters, converting those two. And we can find with that information, once we have that information as a class, we're going to input it, put it in order from least to greatest. That way, and then we are going to first find the median of that all that information by adding all of them together and dividing by the number of students. Then we're going to also gather the mean and see what that middle number is, and also collect that as average, see how the both compare against each other. In addition to that, have a class discussion of what actual average should be used to come up with the answer based upon the outlier. So if there isn't, a super duper tall kid in class as well as a super duper, or not super duper, but just a smaller, heighted student, and that there is a big range, then hey, we need to use median. Let's talk about it. Or if, it's pretty bunched together as far as class heights and there isn't anyone that's, that stands out in the class as far as height-wise, then mean might be the better answer. So we can all do that as a group using real life examples that they can have fun playing out, and also turn it into like a group activity where students are talking to each other, explaining, wondering what we're doing, thinking about it. So yeah. That's how I would teach averages.